broadcast all flow units 23152, eastbound 80 at Mano Campos on a lime green Hyundai hatchback, 8 Victor Lincoln David 365, clear on a 2021 Kia out of LA. Vehicles near TC is unable to maintain lanes. Again, that was eastbound at Mano Campos on a lime green Hyundai, 8 Victor Lincoln David 365, no further, going to get cleared WL 1340.
No.
A 23 below, I'm sorry, 10 line.
I copy the broadcast.
Oh, I copy 10A, and you copy the broadcast. Thank you, sir.
And Air 37, have we started a SIG alert yet?
Air 37, yes, sir. Caltrans has a SIG alert for both directions of 37 closed, just east of the 121.
I copy that. We'll probably end up opening the westbound once we can get H32 off the ground with the transport, but eastbound's going to be shut down indefinitely for now.
Air 37 will probably opening westbound once we get H32 off the ground. Eastbound will continue to be shut down.
Boy.
2284 boy.
87, 86 boys, 97, gonna handle 1110, I'll be in route 1179 on 37.
2284 boy, 1087, 86 boys, 97, he'll handle your 10 of the 8 and route 1179.
And 84 boy, 22C is aware of the TCM on 37.